Okay, here was my first trade. Tesla had the most strength. I was kind of looking at pre-market here, and there was no gap or anything. It was pretty steady from yesterday. So once it pushed kind of through this range, held pre-market high, came, all the way up, and held previous day high. And kind of here at open, I felt pretty strong about it. So when this candle started forming right here at the 20-day, I got in and I just marked a 2-to-1. So actually I had it down here, so 2, 3, 4. And I sold it on the push. I didn't wait, obviously, because there's so many quick reversals. And that was something I was practicing. So I did that right. So I was happy there. And then, once I was out, I was waiting to see it hold the 1 week high, previous day high, 20-day. And as it kind of started to come through this chop, I saw this and thought, okay, this is not going to be a bad setup. And then once it started to push through the 5-minute, I got in again, probably about here, and then I rode it all the way up to here. So these were both really good trades. I went pretty far out of the money, so it's not like they were big movers or anything, but Theta also didn't chew the crap out of me. Both of these combined, I think I was up 75. And at this point I stopped. Didn't do much. I should have walked away. I've got to come up with some better rules, because then I just went nuts and started chasing price and going back and forth and up and down and up and down and up and down. I took Tesla more. I took PLTR. I way overtraded. I don't even know how many trades I took today, but it was insane. So, like I said, I'm taking the rest of the week off from trading. It's only 2 days. I have to get my head screwed on straight because there's something going on. I don't know what it is. I'm super frustrated with myself, and then the more frustrated I am with myself, the worse I'm getting. I'm not improving. So psychologically, something is jacked. Yeah, the price action this week, this whole month so far has been epic shit. It's true. However, there have been some fantastic opportunities. Gabby, your trade today is an example of it. That was a beautiful trade. That is a trade I would normally take if I'm paying attention. And clearly I'm not. I mean, and even these 2 trades, I'm perfectly happy with these 2 trades. They weren't BNRs. They were strength, momentum. This one was kind of a BNR, even though I went higher. But still, I'm happy with my trades today. These 2 trades, I'm not happy with my behavior or the rest. And I'm just getting myself caught in this churn. Maybe I just want to be right. I don't know if it's the money. Clearly it's not, because I just sit and watch my account go down and it doesn't seem to stop me. So yeah, I need to address it. I'm just sharing it with you. I probably won't share all this with everybody. I'll share high level some of what I'm going through. I'll tell everybody that I'm not going to trade the rest of the week. But the struggle I'm going through, I'm probably just going to share with you guys.